So we have the original Armani Luminous Silk Cheek Tints. This is, by the way, the shade 53. Remember that, in bold pink. And now we have the Luminous Silk Cheek Tint Shines in the shade, well, 53 Cosmic Pink. I think this is a bit of a misleading shade name choice or shade numbering choice. I'm really not a fan of this. But the difference is that the normal cheek tints, they are matte, and these are now, well, I think they're shimmery. At least I can see a little bit of shimmer. The shade 53 Cosmic Pink is definitely a very beautiful type of pink eyeshadow. It is a little bit bubblegummy, but also has some cool tones in it, so that I would even say that this is also a blue-based lilac-y pink. And now the big question, can you tell the difference? Can you tell me which side is the cheek tint and which is the cheek tint shine when I swatch them like this? When I look close, I can see a difference between this, which is, by the way, the original cheek tint, and the cheek tint shine. They are different. Here in the short video that I took with my phone and with flash on, you definitely see the difference. And aside from the fact that the cheek tint shines have a slight bit of shimmer, I also would say that the shimmer that is in here is not the typical metallic silvery shimmer. I think this is slightly bluish purple. But we rambled now enough. I take the applicator that I still don't like, but I like the formula, and then I just draw it on and I blend it out with the Rare Beauty blush brush. So these are now a good 2 layers on my face, and to be honest, I could keep on building because this formula, the shine one, they are sheer, very sheer, super sheer. I don't know if it is because of the shimmer, but to me it looks like I have just the slightest bit of a breeze of pinky on the cheeks and not a blushed look. I can appreciate that, don't get me wrong, but I think just based on this one shine shade from that line that I prefer the OG ones over this. If you have the shines, let me know what shade I should try, but keep in mind, no peaches, no oranges.